Hey crypto enthusiasts! We've got some exciting insights for you today, straight from Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. He's been sharing his thoughts on none other than Sam Bankman-Fried, the man behind FTX, and the world of artificial intelligence. Let's dive right in. So, Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, has some interesting things to say about Sam Bankman-Fried, or SBF for short. You might remember that FTX, SBF's digital asset exchange, hit some rough waters, and Vitalik's been critical of him ever since. But now, Vitalik's opening up even more in a podcast interview. He talks about how the crypto community didn't exactly give SBF a standing ovation, despite what you might have seen in the news. According to Vitalik, many folks in the crypto world had doubts about SBF right from the start. They didn't see him as the crypto visionary some portrayed him to be. In fact, Ethereum influencers like Anthony Sassano were skeptical from day one. So, why the skepticism? Well, Vitalik believes it's because SBF didn't seem to have a deeper purpose for cryptocurrencies beyond making money. He saw crypto as a business opportunity, not a movement or a technology with a grand vision. In Vitalik's words, he was just not able to articulate a vision of why crypto was good. It wasn't about changing the world, it was all about the profits. And here's a striking comparison: Vitalik once likened FTX's marketing to 1930 dictators. He's saying that cryptocurrencies are about more than just flashy brands and lifestyles, they're about innovation and changing the way we think about money. Now, let's shift gears a bit. Vitalik also talked about something totally different: artificial intelligence, or AI. He's pretty excited about AI's rapid growth in various industries, including crypto. Vitalik believes that AI can enhance our abilities at work, making us more efficient. He even mentioned ChatGPT as an example. Instead of replacing jobs, AI can help us do our jobs better and save us time. But what about creativity? Vitalik thinks AI could shake up the creative world, too. He doesn't want to see artists replaced, but he'd love to see authors use AI tools to create movies more easily and affordably. Imagine a world where a single person can bring their creative vision to life with the help of AI, cutting down the cost and time it takes to make a movie. That's what Vitalik envisions for the future. So, there you have it folks, Vitalik Buterin's take on SBF's reputation and the exciting possibilities of AI. What do you think about all this? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto and tech updates. Thanks for joining us today.